Welcome. In front of me is a Poco C40, and today I'll show you how we can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications and locate the toggle somewhere here. You can also pull it down even further. As you can see, for me, battery saver is right over here. Now once you locate it, simply tap on it. This will automatically turn it on. And there we go. Now I will warn you right now that once you enable your power saving mode, there might be a little bit of a change in how the device will receive notifications, as an example. So I'm not exactly sure if this is how it will happen, but some phones with power saving mode disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is in sleep mode. And just to clarify this would be considered sleep mode after like a couple minutes of just screen being off. And once they disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data, you won't be receiving any kind of notifications from any application that basically requires it. So that is just a little bit of a warning. Anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can quickly turn it off by finding the toggle once more, tapping on it again, and this will now turn it off. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.